What if AI didn't just teach, but spark mind that will shape the future? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Prachai from Sripatum University. Our project is called Shaping Future Thinker with AI. We use teaching model as the compass and AI as the driving force. Imagine classroom where students don't just get answers, but create their own ways of thinking.
Every learning journey starts with a beloved question. These are real-life prompts that ignite curiosity. Students respond by mapping their ideas, reflecting deeply before AI is ever involved. Then, through models like predict, observe, explain, and input, process, output, students walk step by step through 5 levels of thinking: knowing, understanding, applying, practicing, creating. AI doesn't just give feedback, it gives feed forward, helping students build their own methods of thinking. After class, our AI-powered quiz mode turns assessment into a motivating experience. Personalized questions, real-time feedback, achievement badges, and meaningful reflection. Learners scoring greater than 80% unlock a personalized AI-generated badge displaying their topic, name, and achievement visual. Over 2 semesters, 800 plus first-year engineering students showed plus 32% in critical thinking and plus 47% in engagement versus control. This project isn't about using AI for answers. It's about using AI to shape a generation ready for complexity, curiosity, and creativity.
Let's shape the power of thinking together.